What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel here. Everything's regular, man. We are back. We finally got another car at Copart, and I don't even think you can call this thing a car. It only has two wheels, guys, and enough of me showing you my videos. Let's get right into it now, shall we? I ended up winning a 2009 Harley Davidson Street Glide. It does have 6,500 miles, as you guys see. It was sold by farmers. The primary damage is front end damage, side damage, and it's worth, I guess, 14.6. A bunch of you guys were expecting like a car or something like that, but definitely not. Definitely been looking for a Harley and been ready to ride, man. I know it's getting cold out, but that's never stopped anybody who's a real rider. You can get right into the pics though and check out the bike. It's a '09 Harley Street Glide, man. I won it for $3,200 in Appleton, Wisconsin. Actually, this is the deal. I bid it on it, and then I won it for $2,450 initially. They declined the bid, and then I really wanted the bike, so I just bought it now for $3,200. I probably could have got it for like maybe $100 to $200 cheaper if I waited till next week, but then I would have risked losing the bike, which, I mean, it's a really nice bike if you look at it, man. Just look at this thing. So far, the only damage I'm seeing, the front really doesn't look damaged up here. You do have scratches here on the fairing right here. You are missing a bag on the passenger side as well. If you look on the driver's side, there is a bag right here. And then there's actually a crack in this bag right here. Nothing really that looks damaged on this side, honestly. Looks pretty good other than, you know, those bags on there, but it does look pretty good. You guys can see here from the back side, we're missing that, if you look here, it has a mirror right here. But on this side, the mirror actually came off. So not too big of a fix. If you look at the gas tank here, there is a little dent there. Nothing crazy at all. Now this is the thing too. My shipper, the guy who's picking the bike up for me, he actually picked it up already, and he said it doesn't have a kickstand. And in these photos, there's clearly a kickstand. So I don't know if somebody took it, or if it's just lodged under there and he can't see. I really don't know until I get the bike. But he said there's no kickstand on it, so that's going to be a task there, I'm sure. But if we take a look back at the bike here, you can just see, like, it looks really good, guys. I mean, there's no really too much visual damage just from the pictures. It does look like this little side piece maybe scratched up a little bit. I'm sure this little crash bar scratched up a little bit. That gas tank is dented in. Not really a big deal. Should be a pretty easy fix. Here's a better view of the gas tank. Should be pretty easy to put back together and get it all looking nice and snazzy. It does have a junked Wisconsin title. Now I know when you switch titles, like when you switch a title to a different state, sometimes it'll hold the salvage title, sometimes it'll hold the clean title. You just never know until you switch it. But yeah, we'll come across that road when we get there. But you see here on the back of the bike, doesn't look too bad. It looks like the seat might have got scratched up a little bit there. Still nothing that's really standing out to me. If you guys are bike people, motorcycle people, and you know something about Harleys, man, let me know if you see something that I'm missing. But it does have that little foot stand down here. It's actually folded up, so that's not a bad deal right there. 6,500 miles on this thing, guys. I was gonna buy one with like 92,000 miles, and this one was literally half the price. Well, this bike in particular that we're looking at is half the price of the one with 92,000 miles. Now, I don't know about the mileage on the Harley. Some of my buddies say it really doesn't matter about the mileage because you're pretty much going to take everything off the bike anyway and do it your way. But this is a good starting point. It's all black. All I would really need is one bag here, another bag there, just to get it looking like fair and decent. I can ride it still with this gas tank like that, but I'm pretty sure I can find that gas tank really quick and easy as well. Kind of already found some like 2014 parts. Now I know the bikes change after 2013, so I might have to do a little modification for that for those 2014 and up bags, also with the front end, like the fairing and stuff like that. May not change it to the 14, might just find something that actually fits right on there without any problems or anything. So yeah, we're going to keep our eyes open for that. It does have like some nice smoked tail lights. It does have the Vin something, I forget the name of them, but it's like has aftermarket exhaust. But it does have a custom 21-inch front ram on it, as well as dual disc brakes which match the front wheel as well. So when I get it, I plan to switch this front fender here to the wraparound. It'll be like pretty much right above the tire. It won't look this big. This one actually looks pretty good. However, that's down to come down the line. But first off, as soon as we get it, we just got to make sure everything runs right and all that. Get these bags set up, and then we should be good to go for a cruise or something. Until we can get everything else painted to how we like it and stuff like that. And it does comes with like the tinted window shader or whatever you want to call it, which is cool. Gives it that nice look. And me personally, I really want to black out like all the chrome parts. Maybe black out the wheel with like some different color trimming or something. Definitely want to black out these forks or find the performance machine ones eventually. But just right away, guys, I just want to get this thing looking back stock or back together like one whole bike, and then start doing like the aftermarket changes later down the line. But we do need to get this thing all buttoned up and everything, because we are moving here pretty soon, and this is just going to be another task that I don't want just sitting around. So we're going to get this one buttoned up pretty quick. It was picked up a couple days ago, guys, so it should be here within the next couple of days or so. Reason why I'm giving you guys this video. And like I said, we won it for $3,200. After taxes, it was probably like $3,800, give or take. But yeah, man, got it in Wisconsin. It's snowing out there right now. They didn't have the bike inside like they usually have. Like in Atlanta, I know they have like, I guess, a storage center for like all their bikes and ATVs and stuff, which is inside. My shipper told me this bike was outside, so I don't know. We'll have to check it out when it gets here, guys. But I'm so excited. Happy to be riding. I never rode a Harley Davidson before, like never in life. My dad's got them, my buddies got them. I just never had one or rode a Harley Davidson. Rode plenty dirt bikes and stuff like that, so I'm familiar with shifting and all that stuff. But this is definitely going to be something new for the channel and for me, guys. So I mean, here it is. This is the new buy. You guys wanted to see it, so I'm glad to show it to you, and I'm glad to be getting it here in the next couple days or so. I guess it should be here Friday or Saturday, so the video for that update video should be out Sunday or something like that, maybe even the day I get it. Who knows? We'll see, because I am moving in the next couple of days, so that's just something to think about there. So yeah, guys, I mean, that's that. It's a 09 Harley Davidson FLHX, which is the Street Glide. It doesn't come with the Tour Pack. That's the Street Glide. If you wanted a Tour Pack, you could have got like an Electra Glide or Ultra Glide or something like that, or even a Road Glide. I like the Street Glides here. My buddy Kicks by Dre, I know you guys, some of you guys probably follow him. He actually just got a Harley Davidson too. Looks similar to this, but it's like black with like yellow graphics and all type of stuff going on. He got a lot of money put into that bike too, so we're about to be doubling up here pretty soon. Yeah, man, young Harley riders coming to a town near you, and I think I got a pretty good deal at $3,200, even though I did win the bid at like $2,450 before they declined the offer. But I mean, $3,200 is still a good deal. If you guys ride Harleys out there, let me know what you think about that price for this bike, man, because it only, so far from what it looks like, it needs 2 bags, of course, a gas tank, which doesn't look like it has to be replaced right away, but right away I do need some bags. And the shipper said it doesn't have a kickstand, so I might have to get either a kickstand or a wheel chock just to hold the bike up when I first get it. We'll have to see about that and check everything out then. But I mean, it does look like a pretty good looking bike, guys. If you know me, you guys know when it comes to cars and vehicles and anything of that sort, anything of that nature, it's gonna look really nice if it's something I really want and plan on keeping. I plan on keeping the bike for a while, you know, getting it all freaking fixed up or whatever, riding it for a little bit, and then sell it eventually. Yeah, man, this is the new buy, 2009 Harley Davidson, man. What you guys think about the bike in the comments below? I know some of you guys aren't really interested in bikes, and some of you are. So if you are, man, let me know in the comments below what you think. If you aren't, let me know why you don't like bikes and, you know, your whole spiel on that. So as always, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. And yeah, here's a video of me just winning the bid first for $2,450. I'll show you that. So yeah, guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, man. Don't forget to go back and check out the bike again, man. I'm really excited to get this. I can't wait. I hope it looks exactly how it does on these pictures, if not better in person. It's going to be a new road for us here, new tasks. Never really worked on the Harley at all, so we'll see how that works out, guys. Yeah, but until then, I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.